Well, my name is Mike Wachtendonk with Countryside Cooperative. Just wanted to pop in with an update today, a little bit on show feed season. So as things progress here, we're getting into the later stages of the fair season. So some of us still have some contests that we can attend to, and we're also going to be working on some virtual events at Countryside. So stay tuned to our Facebook and our website, and we'll have some opportunities for you to place some entries and have some success that way, as well as show others what you've been working on. On the flip side, on nutrition side, be sure to work with your local location or the salesperson that you're working on if you need some specialty items, as to make sure they have them on stock for you and in a timely manner when you need them, as we try and wrap up your projects and make sure you get the last finishing touches on your project animals. Thanks again, and thanks for your business.